How to apply for a BDO savings account. Now, there are two ways or maybe three ways in doing this method. The first thing is to apply using the web version, using your laptop or PC, like on my end right here. Second thing that you can do is to apply using the app, and the third thing is by going to a physical store. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can apply savings account using the web version. And just accessing your preferred web browser and heading directly to BDO's official site. Now in here, you just have to choose on accounts and then head directly to savings. You also need to choose on or find the right savings account for you if it's going to be for a peso savings account or a US dollar savings account. Say for example, we will be opening up savings account for a peso. Now just simply click on open an account and then ensure that you have all necessary documents like two valid IDs that you have for you to be able to complete the process without any problems. Now here are the things that you can open for passbook savings, for ATM savings, or for Kabayan peso savings. Say for example, we're trying to open for ATM savings. In here, just click on OK, you understand, and then just complete all the prompts on screen, and then you should be able to open a savings account without any problems. And that's it. That's how you open up a BDO savings account.